Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome back again to our YouTube channel. So today guys, I'm going to be making this muffin here. So this is already made, so they have already mixed everything. So there are a few things I just need to mix. So I have my egg here, this is my oil, and this is my water and vanilla extract to be adding to it. So this is actually my first time of using this already made muffin, so I just want to see how it look like. And also I have my cup here, so I'm going to be greasing them with butter. So just keep watching the rest of the videos. Thank you so much guys.